welcome back to the channel. So as I mentioned, we are selling our house and this is my amazing house. So I'm going to take you on a bit of a tour. So we're going to head in. Come this way. Obviously a bit of off-road parking. We've got Vandora. Love the Vandora. Front garden. And in we go. And here's Hemi as well. So we are in the hallway. It's a nice big hallway. It is quite light as well, if the light is in the right place, which is great. And we'll go through to the living room. This is the living room and it's massive and I absolutely love it. It's got dual aspect windows, it's got patio door over there in the dining room, and you've got a massive, massive bay window. So Hemi likes looking out the window, so the proof's not central right now. But yeah, it's huge. So this window looks out onto the setting sun, which is beautiful. And the dual aspect windows right here are amazing, and they're letting so much light because that part of the garden is south facing, which is awesome. Dining room, you can easily get a 6 to 8 person table around here. We do actually fold this table out for like Christmas and stuff like that. And we had the most amazing Christmas dinner in here one year. It was just awesome. So that is our living dining space, which is massive. And we're going to go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen and it's big. It really is big. So you've got loads and loads of room for whatever you want to do. So me and Dan do sit here every now and again and have breakfast, sometimes if we don't want to use the dining room. And we also have an added little bonus of a pantry, which is a mess. But those of you that have been with me and the channel for a while know that I used to bake. So it's got all of my crap in there. So yes, very, very big kitchen, and I really like this kitchen. It means that you can fit lots of people in it, which is always good because the one place you always go when people come over is the kitchen, because it's got a kettle. Obviously there's a back door, you can get into the back garden. We usually use the patio door because of the dog. So this door is a very, very special door. And I'm going to move Dan's back out of the way. And I'm going to meet you around the other side and you can see me from over there. Hi! So, there's a door from the hallway, which is great. But other than that, this has got boxes in. So this is our cinema room slash kind of office space. So the desk folds down, which is amazing. But we do have an electronic projector, and right there is where the projector actually is. Projector screen, sorry, and projector. So the projector is there. And in that cupboard is all the bits and pieces you need to be able to have your own cinema. We also have lights on the floor, which I won't turn on for you. It's going to be dark in there. But obviously you drop the blind down and then you've got... It's like one of those old school cinemas, instead the curtains used to open. But so yes, so we'll get to the bottom soon. There we go, so you can have it as far down or as far up as you want it. And it's a projector screen. Now I suppose we've done all of downstairs other than the garden, which is the best part, so I'll leave that till last. We're going to go and have a look upstairs, so I'll meet you back in the hall. Hi! Let's go upstairs! No cows? because it has to be done. Dan's favourite cooker. It's the bathroom! I was going to do something cool and get in the bath and then be like, ah, it's the bathroom! But it's a bathroom. It's a big bathroom. And it's got a toilet. It's got a cabinet. And it's got a sink and a bath. That's really all you need in a bathroom. So let us carry on. So let's do this one first. Ta-da! This is the second bedroom. So this is the second biggest bedroom. It's really cool. I love this. These floors are real wood. They're the real floorboards, and we've distressed them ourselves. And oh, I love this wallpaper. It's amazing. But as you can see, we've got dual aspect windows again. That one and that one. So you get lovely south facingness there. And you get to see the sunrise out that way. It's great. And then that's the boiler cupboard. A boiler is a boiler. It's new. It's fine. Let's get this way. Don't look in here yet. This is a good bedroom. So this is the smaller room. We did have this as a closet. I don't know if you guys have seen the old closet. I think you did at one point. But you can get a small double in here, which is awesome. And yeah, it is what it is. It's a small room, but it's nice size for a box room. So you know, when you go into these houses and they have like a literal box room, it is like the tiniest box, and you can kind of step in it and be like, cool, step out of it again. It's like storage. But yeah, this room is really cool, and you also have the access for the attic, which has got steps in it, and it's about third boarded, I think, if I remember. But enough about the little room. You want to come in this one. This is the master bedroom, and it's massive. Again, bay window, which is awesome. The amount of times I stand here and look out there at the sunset, which you can kind of ish see. Oh, amazing. I have so many pictures of gorgeous sunsets that I never do anything with. You know, and you think, I've got to take a picture of that because it's so cool. Then you look at your phone and go, it's really, really small. But yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, I love this room. One of my favourite rooms. And it's big. Like, as in, it's a super king bed big, and you still have space for everything else. So the next thing is we're going to go into the garden. So if you want entertaining space, please tell me where you can find a bigger bit of entertaining space than here. It's huge. And this is where the shed is, but if you want a hot tub, you can have a hot tub in there. Cool. So yeah, it's big. This is the double garage, which garage is a garage unless you want to see massive. No point telling you that. And this is the rest of the garden. So the benefits of having a corner plot means you've got essentially 3 gardens. And a lawnmower break, that's why we've got the edges yet. So we'll get to that. But the garden is full of roses, lavender, chive, dahlias, and lilies as well. My weekend job is to sort the garden. I've not done it yet. Oh yeah. thing. The garden is definitely what makes it. I absolutely adore it. It's lovely to be outside, especially in the evening, and be able to eat here or sit there and read a book in the sunshine. So, or just look out over all the roses when they're in bloom. Unfortunately, all the rain has prevented them blooming throughout the summer. They've kind of died off a little bit, but they are slowly coming back, which is good. So yeah, that is my little house tour. I suppose that's it from me. And that's my house tour. So if you want to buy it, feel free. And anything that's in it, you know, feel free to buy that as well, or give me an offer and I'll see if I can sell it for you. Hemi is not for sale. Dan might be, depending on the amount. It's negotiable. Right, I'll see you in the next one.